Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly to your Payhip? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to Payhip anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online coaching business, you know that if you can automate the coaching call times with your calendar, it can end up saving you a lot of headache going back and forth with your students. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Calendly account to your Payhip, here on the top menu, you're going to click on products. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to your coaching service. Mine's right here. If you don't have one set up, it's pretty easy. Just click here on add new product. Once you do that, you're going to click on coaching service, name your product. So coaching call about tacos. Okay, next. And then I'm not going to go into the details for this because if you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But click on next. You can set up a pricing plan and then next. Okay, and start date, we'll choose on the enrollment date. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add your Calendly calendar. Right here, add a calendar. So this is going to be on the first milestone. So this is basically going to be the confirmation they receive. So you click right here, add a calendar. And here is where you can go ahead and paste in your Calendly link. Let me grab a Calendly link. Okay, so here's my Calendly account, and we can grab this product right here. I'm going to copy link and then go back here to my coaching and paste it right in here and click on next. Okay, so now you can go ahead and review and add coaching service. Okay, now the product is added. So now on the first milestone for that coaching service, they're going to receive my Calendly link. Now, if you already have the product set up, you can click here on products, and then to add it, all you're going to do is click on the coaching service manage button. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is click on the template button right here on the top right. Once you click on template, this is what we filled out earlier, and all you're going to do is click here add calendar, and you can paste in your Calendly link and then save changes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly account to your Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.